We all thought we had seen the recipe for a new world when the lockdown started. The skies were clear, and the air was healthy to breathe even in the usually polluted cities of Delhi, Manila, and Dhaka. Wherever you looked, there was a breathtaking, clear view in front of you. It was an accidental consequence of the world standing still. Once our movement was restricted, the planet started to recalibrate and put fresh and clean air into the atmosphere. It was amazing for all of us to see. But where are we now, months after this magical experience? What have we learned and what has changed? Not much, really. Cities like Delhi, Dhaka, and Manila do not have the beautiful clear sky view anymore. We are back to where we were before, as if nothing happened. Why are we still trying to fit ourselves into an old mold that has already run its course? Why are we still trying to live like nothing has changed when everything already has? Lives might move back to normal with the vaccine seeing progress. But should we go back to normal? We shouldn't go back to our old habits, not when we can see the costs clearly. Listen to the call. It's your turn to make a difference. Now is the time to radically shift to energy efficiency and renewable energy. No more new coal-fired power plants should be built. Implementing a radical work-from-home policy with occasional central office time to keep non-essential travel off the roads could make a small difference. We are at the best position to take the lead in this renewable energy movement. We are global leaders when it comes to geothermal technology, and we have the world's largest integrated geothermal producer in our country. With the Philippines being part of the Ring of Fire, geothermal energy is one of the most reliable and stable renewable energy sources that we can use. Geothermal energy is a limitless energy source that can power your business and support basic Filipino services 24/7. You have the power to choose. Large factories, office buildings, hospitals, and universities are eligible to make the shift. The clear skies we have seen are a sign of hope and a call for action. Don't wait for climate change to be irreversible. This renewable energy movement should start with us. We, our families, friends, our barangays, our cities, our companies, and our organizations can choose the cleaner option. Let your small step be the start of a new age of regenerative future. Make the shift to geothermal energy. Make the shift to EDC.